Imagine your body as a machine. Every day, it needs fuel to function, and this fuel comes in the form of calories. However, if you feed this machine more fuel than it needs, it starts storing the excess, resulting in weight gain. To prevent this, you need to create a calorie deficit, which simply means consuming fewer calories than your body burns. Now, you might wonder, which food group should you cut down on? The easiest and healthiest option is carbohydrates. Why? Because excess carbs often end up as stored fat in your body. They can also trigger a surge in your blood sugar levels, leading to cravings and overeating. So, reducing carbs can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. Intermittent fasting is another powerful tool in your weight loss arsenal. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This method not only aids in weight loss, but also improves overall health. You see, when you cut down on carbs, it helps manage your initial cravings during fasting. Plus, it prevents insulin spikes, which can be detrimental to your weight loss efforts. High insulin levels can lead to weight gain, as it instructs your cells to store fat. So, by reducing insulin spikes, you're essentially helping your body to shed those extra pounds more effectively. Now, let's talk about physical activity. A simple, low-impact exercise such as walking can do wonders for your health and weight loss efforts. Striving for 10,000 steps a day can help create a calorie deficit by increasing the amount of energy your body uses. In comparison to running, walking may not burn as many calories in the same amount of time. However, it is easier on your joints and can be sustained for a longer period, making it a better choice in the long run. In addition to walking, incorporating high-intensity training 2 to 3 times a week can significantly boost your metabolism and accelerate weight loss. In conclusion, weight loss isn't rocket science. It's more of a marathon than a sprint. It requires a dedicated and stubborn will. It involves creating a calorie deficit, embracing methods like intermittent fasting, and incorporating simple exercises like walking. Remember, the goal isn't just to lose weight, but to create a healthier and happier you. So, don't be disheartened by slow progress. Instead, celebrate every step you take towards your goal, because every step matters. In our journey towards a healthier lifestyle, persistence and consistency are key. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. Rather, it's about making small, manageable changes and sticking to them consistently. Whether it's maintaining your calorie deficit, sticking to your intermittent fasting schedule, or hitting your daily step goal. Remember that consistency is what brings about real, lasting changes. It's okay to have off days. What matters is that you don't let them derail you from your overall goal. And remember, when it comes to weight loss, slow and steady often wins the race. As we wrap up, keep in mind that weight loss is a deeply personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. So, don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep going. Because, in the end, it's not just about losing weight, it's about creating a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more weight loss tips and tricks. We are here to support you every step of the way on your weight loss journey. So, let's keep walking together, one step at a time.